You've already done irrational spirals using paper and pencil. We are making irrational spirals using paper folding method. Now fold the paper once to get your number line. Fold it a second time, making a perpendicular here. This will give you the origin. Now once you've got the origin here, from the origin take any unit, any measure as 1 unit. I am taking 1 inch as 1 unit. This is your 1 unit. On the 1 unit mark, make a perpendicular fold like this and again measure 1 unit here. Just put the mark, don't draw any lines. So on this mark, which is at 1 unit, and this is the origin, join these 2 points. Fold it along this line, and this becomes your root 2. 1 square plus 1 square is 2, and this line will be under root of 2 using Pythagoras theorem. So now this is your line. You need to make a 90 degree at this point. So fold it like this, and the fold should be exactly equal, not like this or this. So fold should be exactly coinciding with each other. And now when you open it, you've got a 90 degree here. So measure again 1 unit here. So once you measure that 1 unit, mark it with a pen and take the origin and this point and again fold it along this line. So you had root 2, so root 2 squared is 2. 1 squared is 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So this hypotenuse, the length of the hypotenuse will be under root of 3. So this is under root of 2, this is under root of 3, and again here at this point we make our 90 degree like this. So this becomes the 90 degree. So as you see, when we keep repeating, this is the spiral that we get. I first made the folds, and just to make it clearer, I have drawn on the folds. So this is the irrational spiral.